Hey girl, hey, welcome back to today's video. I am Deanna Marie and we will be using spray paint to give this cubicle storage a bit of a touch up. It's a very short video, so I hope you guys really enjoy and watch to the end. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like videos like this, and if you are not subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. Let's get right into the video.
Stroll downtown this evening when I heard music echo through the night. The same old songs that I heard the night before. So I started running so I wouldn't be too late. I didn't think that I would ever see your face again, but I was wrong. Yeah, I was wrong. My heart was pumping to the beat that was blasting through the night. And on the street the crowd was jumping, singing songs and dancing through the night. I didn't think that I would ever see your face again, but I was wrong. I can't believe we're dancing in the street. Now I'm burning up in your atmosphere. I can't feel my feet while we're dancing in the street in the neon light. Let the music come reveal through the night. Started to fade out. The first rays of sunlight lit up your eyes. Oh, how I wish this night would never end, so we can keep on dancing. I didn't think that I would ever see your face again, but I was wrong. I can't believe we're dancing in the street. While we're dancing in the street in the neon light, let the music go reveal through the night.
I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest but I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now.